Phuket and Krabi. Just saying the names makes you think of paradise. These are two of Thailand's most incredible destinations. They sit like jewels on the Andaman Sea. Every time I return, I find something new to love. It's the combination of stunning natural beauty and the most amazing food you can imagine. It's the feeling, warm air on your skin. It's the friendly smiles from the local people. It's the thrill of discovering a hidden lagoon or a quiet viewpoint. Phuket is the bigger, more vibrant island, full of energy, markets, and endless things to do. Krabi is its calmer, more rugged neighbor, nature, rock climbing, and laid-back days. Together they offer the perfect Thai vacation. Your journey begins now. Prepare to be amazed. Getting to Phuket is easy. HKT handles direct flights from major hubs. Think Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, and many cities in Europe. From Bangkok, it's a short hop, about an hour and 20 minutes. Overnight buses work if you have time and want to save. Krabi also has an international airport, KBV, smaller but growing. Direct flights often come via Singapore, Kuala Lumpur, and Doha. At HKT, choose official metered taxis, buses to town and main beaches, or pre-booked private transfers. Transfers are great for families or lots of luggage. The driver meets you at arrivals. In Krabi, shuttles run to Krabi Town and Ao Nang, affordable and easy. Taxis get you door to door so you can hit the sand or the food fast. Trust me, the first bite in Thailand sets the tone for your whole trip. Want action and nightlife in the center of everything? Patong Beach is the place. Lively, sometimes loud, always buzzing. For a family-friendly vibe and a beautiful beach with great restaurants, pick Karen or Kata. Prefer peaceful luxury? Look at Surin and Bang Tao, high-end resorts and quieter beaches. For an authentic local feel and incredible food, stay in Phuket Town. In Krabi, Ao Nang is the tourist hub. Hotels, restaurants, and tours at your fingertips. From Ao Nang, book easy trips to Railay and nearby islands. The beach is pleasant, and the night scene hums without being overwhelming. For something spectacular, stay at Railay. Only accessible by boat, it feels like a secluded paradise. West Railay has the stunning beach. East Railay vibes more backpacker. Wake to cliffs and sea, disconnected in the best way. It's a magical place to stay and a perfect base for adventures. Choose your base by your style. Nightlife, family comfort, quiet luxury, or nature-forward seclusion. Where you stay shapes your trip. Pick the vibe that matches your dream. Packing for Phuket and Krabi is about staying cool and comfortable. Bring lightweight, breathable clothing, cotton and linen. Pack shorts, loose pants, sundresses, and skirts. At least 2 swimsuits. Wear one while the other dries. The sun is strong. Use high SPF sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Flip-flops and sandals for the beach and town. Add comfy sneakers for markets, temples, and hikes. For temples, carry a light scarf or sarong to cover shoulders and knees. A waterproof dry bag protects your essentials on boat days. Carry a reusable water bottle. Hydrate and reduce plastic. Bring a power bank, your personal meds, and a small first aid kit. And of course, your camera. You'll want to capture everything. Patong is famous. Long sand, water sports, restaurants and bars, busy and full of life. Quieter options? Head south to Kata and Karen. For a gorgeous, less crowded spot, go to Freedom Beach, crystal water and soft sand. Beyond beaches, the Big Buddha watches over southern Phuket. Panoramic views and a peaceful, spiritual atmosphere. Dress respectfully. Phuket Old Town charms with history, cafes, and boutique finds. Karen Viewpoint frames the 3 bays, gorgeous, especially at sunset. Promthep Cape is a classic spot to watch the day fade into gold. When you're ready for action, jet skiing, parasailing, even surfing in low season. Boat trips to Phi Phi and James Bond Island serve jaw-dropping scenery and snorkeling. At night, explore Bangla Road, or opt for cultural performances at Siam Niramat or Fantasy. In Phuket, there truly is something for everyone. Krabi's raw beauty is defined by its towering limestone cliffs. Railay and Phra Nang are photographers' dreams, beaches, caves, and sculpted stone. Don't miss the Emerald Pool, an emerald spring deep in the forest. Nearby hot springs are perfect for a soothing soak after exploring. Climb 1,237 steps to Tiger Cave Temple. It's tough in the heat, but the panoramic views and Golden Buddha are unforgettable. The classic 4 Islands tour hits Phra Nang, Tup, Chicken, and Poda, snorkeling, white sand, and iconic rock formations. Hong Island's lagoon feels like another world. Enter through a narrow gap into tranquil green water. It's the kind of place that stays with you long after you leave. Southern Thai food is bold, spicy, sour, and vivid with fresh turmeric and seafood. In Phuket, try mee Hokkien, stir-fried yellow noodles with pork, seafood, and savory broth. Another Phuket specialty is mu hong, slow-cooked comfort that melts in your mouth. In Krabi, order grilled fish with salt and lemongrass. Simple, fresh, delicious. Taste geng som, a sour, spicy curry powered by tamarind and chilies. Grab gai tod, Thai fried chicken. Crispy, juicy, perfect with sticky rice. Don't miss Kanam Jin with Nam Ya. Add fresh and pickled vegetables to taste. Classics abound. And for dessert, mango sticky rice. When mangoes are in season, it's heavenly. Traveling between Phuket and Krabi is part of the adventure. Ferries are scenic and run daily. Figure 2 to 3 hours by ferry, faster by speedboat but bumpier and pricier. By road, expect 3 to 4 hours. Minivans are quicker and often hotel pickup. Book ahead in peak season. Buy from local agents or online. Final tips: hydrate, use sunscreen, and wear a hat. Be respectful. Dress modestly at temples and greet with a smile. Keep valuables secure. Carry some cash for markets and street food. Use Grab when possible. Agree tuk-tuk prices. Ride scooters only if licensed and experienced. Slow down. Savor the food. Meet the locals. Let Phuket and Krabi stay with you forever.